Hey everyone, this is Jeff Baker at Shoes Optional. I just want to let you know that over the last year and a half, we've been developing a roadmap for many of our clients. And we actually use this with a hand-picked group of clients over the last year and a half. And we've seen some very, very amazing results. It doesn't matter what niche, industry, what segment, what product or service you offer. This roadmap will distinguish you from your competitors. It will elevate your leadership in the industry that you serve and the customers that you want to attract. It will bring new business from areas that maybe you haven't even considered yet. So we are excited. This roadmap will be rolling out towards the end of this month. But what we want to do in the meantime, we want to get your input, because we realize, though we've found this roadmap to be amazing in the results that it produces, we also know that there are also things that are important to you. So on the contact form on this page, we want you to go through and answer a few quick questions. Doesn't take a lot of time, but we want to get your input. And your input's going to be valuable because it helps us put the finishing touches on this roadmap, and then to be able to deliver this to you in a way that is informative, it's educational, and there are some very strategic steps you can take starting today that will allow you to change where your business is in weeks and months and years from now. So go ahead and fill out that contact form. We look forward to being able to walk this journey with you. And over the next several weeks, you'll see some more emails. We'll actually have some live events that we'll invite you to be part of. And we can't wait to just show you how this roadmap can change your business and ultimately can change your life. Thank you and have an amazing day.